Hello friend, come near, a bold new tale is here. The morning sky is bright, birds sing with sweet delight. Bluey trots along the lane, her ears perk at each refrain. A sudden sound goes, tap tap tap, a striped tail swishes with a snap. From the corner, sharp and keen, a tiger detective steps on the scene. His coat is neat, his hat sits low, eyes that glimmer, sharp and glow. Like this video and subscribe, he said, join the case that lies ahead. Bluey gasps with shining eyes, a tiger detective, what a surprise. He holds a notebook tight, searching clues in morning light. Someone lost a bell, he said, it fell from a sled. Bluey nods and wags her tail, together they follow the trail. Paw prints mark the ground, soft yet clear, a steady sound. They peek behind a tree, nothing yet to see. Then near the river wide, a shiny bell lies to the side. Bluey cheers and claps her paws, the detective smiles, shows his claws. He lifts the bell with care, snowflakes sparkle in the air. But wait, another clue appears, footsteps small, yet near. A bunny hops with eyes so round, its bell is what they found. The bunny squeaks with glee, you found it fast for me. Bluey grins with cheer, the tiger detective bows near. He tips his hat just so, case closed, time to go. But Bluey shakes her head, let's play instead. They chase the bunny round, their laughter fills the ground. The tiger pounces light, his stripes glow in the bright. Soon the sun dips low, shadows stretch and grow. The detective checks his book, gives one last look. You are sharp and quick, my friend, a helper to the end. Bluey beams with pride, joyful by his side. The bell now rings with cheer, Christmas soon feels near. The tiger waves goodbye, his hat tipped to the sky. Bluey skips back home, no longer alone. Mysteries wait each day, more adventures on the way. So come and share the view, Bluey saves a smile for you.